Done यार. अब्दुल्ला शामीर, सैयद मुजम्मिल, मकरम, जवेरिया, okay students, so this is 1 plus sec square xy will multiplied with y plus sec square xy x dy upon dx equal to 0. Now dy upon dx will be kept on the left side. So this is sec square xy x into sec square xy dy upon dx will be on the left side. 1 will be shifted on the other side, -1, and this y sec square xy will be shifted on the right side. Now this will divide. So dy upon dx will become -1 minus y sec square xy divided by x sec square xy. This is the answer. Dy upon dx will be equal to -1 minus y sec square xy upon x sec square xy. This is the answer. Yes, क्विज होगा भैया आपका, मैं बता दूंगा जब क्विज आपका होगा.
सर आज होगा?
जी आज नहीं होगा, जब होगा मैं बता दूंगा. So that was question number 29. अब हम कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज The applications of the differentiation. ये हमने implicit function पढ़े. Now the applications of the differentiation. Velocity. Velocity is the derivative of s with respect to t. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Therefore, velocity v for velocity, v is equal to ds upon dt. ds upon dt means the rate of change of the distance with respect to t. So velocity is equal to ds upon dt. A for acceleration. A for acceleration. A is equal to dv upon dt, the rate of change of velocity with respect to t. So v is the first derivative of the displacement with respect to t. A is the second derivative of displacement with respect to t. Or we can say the derivative of v. V is itself the derivative of s with respect to t. If we take again the derivative of v, it will become the acceleration. So this is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So these are the two formulae which will be used to find the derivative of displacement and the derivative of the velocity. So velocity is equal to ds upon dt, and a is equal to acceleration is equal to dv upon dt. So these are called the instantaneous velocity and the instantaneous acceleration. Now we will find another thing, the average velocity. Average velocity is the total displacement covered by the particle divided by the total time. So the formula for the average velocity is, this is not with the derivative. This is the formula for the average velocity. This is the formula for the average velocity. Now we will do the exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. From question 1 to 6, give the position S is equal to f of t of a body moving on a coordinate x line with S in meters and t in seconds. A part, find the body's displacement and average velocity for the given time interval. So first A part we will do from question 1 to 6. Exercise 3.3. Page 179. Sorry, 279. A part. Find the body's displacement and average velocity. For the given time interval. So we will find the body's displacement and the average velocity for the given time interval. Question number 1. S is equal to t square minus 3t plus 2. This is the expression for the displacement. And the time interval is given 0 is less than or equal to 2. 0 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 2. This is the time interval from 0 to 2. This is the time interval from 0 to 2. This is the function of s with a function s is a function of t. S is equal to t square minus 3t minus 2. So we have to find the body's displacement. So how to find the displacement? First we find the displacement when t is equal to 0. Then we'll find the displacement when t is equal to 2. Then we take the difference of the two displacements, final displacement minus the initial displacement. That will be the answer of the displacement which we are required to find. Shahryar Faisal Hassan Ahmed. Hassan Ahmed. So first of all, we find S when t is equal to 0. The interval is from 0 to 2. So initial is 0 and the final is 2. So first we'll put the 0 and it will be S0. when s is equal to when t is equal to 0, s0 will be equal to t raised to power 2 minus 3 into 0 plus 2. 0 minus 3 into 0 will be 0 plus 2. The answer is 2. So when s is 0, when t is 0, s0 will be equal to 2. When t is 2, so s2 will be equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 2 square will be 4 minus 3 into 2 will be 6 plus 2 will be 0. So when time is 0, the displacement is 2. When time is 2, so s2 will become 0. So the actual displacement, the body traveled. Therefore, displacement required is equal to the final displacement. ये आखिरी जो टाइम है उस पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है हमारे पास 0 माइनस द इनिशियल डिस्प्लेसमेंट व्हेन द स्टार्टिंग टाइम 0 था तो 0 पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना आया 2 आया तो 0 minus 2 the answer is minus 2. So displacement is minus 2. Displacement is minus 2. Now we will find the body's displacement. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमने फाइंड कर लिया दैट इज -2. उसके बाद है एंड द एवरेज वेलोसिटी. एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फार्मूला है टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन द टोटल टाइम. So we'll find the average velocity is equal to the final displacement minus the initial displacement divided by the final time minus the initial time. It will become 0 minus 2 will be -2 divided by 2 minus 0 will be 2. 2 is cancelled by 2. The answer is -1. The average velocity will become -1 meter per second because the displacement was in meter and the time was in second. So therefore it is meter per second. This is the average velocity. So it is asked to find the body's displacement and the average velocity. So to how to find the body's displacement? First we'll put t equal to 0, the initial time, which is starting from 0. So we'll put t is equal to 0 in s. The answer will become 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 2. The answer is 2. Then we'll put t is equal to 2, the final time. So that will be s2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. The answer is 0. So the total displacement will become the final displacement minus the initial displacement equal to -2. Now to find the average velocity. Average velocity will become the total displacement upon the total time. Total displacement will be final displacement minus the initial displacement. 0 minus 2 upon the final time minus the initial time. 2 minus 0. The answer is 0 minus 2 will be -2. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 2 is cancelled by 2. The answer is -1 meter per second. It was given in the question that the displacement in meter and the time in seconds. Displacement in meter and time is second. Therefore, the answer is in meter per second. Okay. So this is the average velocity. That was question number 1. Now we will do question number 3. We will do question number 3. चलो कमरे में जाओ। Question number 3.
सर आपने कॉपी चेक कर ली? सर मेरे से कॉपी चेक हो गई?
S is equal to minus t cube plus 3t square minus 3t. This is the function of t. S is a function of t, and the interval is 0, is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 3. That means time is 0 to 3. Initial time is 0, the final time is 3. So first of all, we will have to find the two things: body's displacement and the average velocity. First, we find the body's displacement. Body's displacement will be at 0. First, we will find as 0.
अरे मिड से मार्क्स रखा क्या?
जी
तो कॉपी चेक कर ली आपने?
जी क्या कह रहे हैं?
सर बोल रहे मिड की कॉपी चेक कर ली आपने?
नहीं. The answer is 0. The answer is 0. 0 cube minus 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square minus 3 into 0. The answer is 0. At the initial time, when t is 0, S0 will be equal to 0. So initial displacement is 0. The final displacement S3. So minus 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. It will become minus 27 plus 27 minus 9. The answer is plus minus 27 plus 27. The answer is minus 9. This is the final displacement. Now the displacement, required displacement, final displacement minus the initial displacement. Final displacement is minus 9, initial displacement is 0. Minus 9 minus 0 will be equal to minus 9. This is the final displacement. Find the body's displacement. This is the displacement, body's displacement. Now, average velocity.
सर ये ऊपर वाला स्टेप समझ में नहीं आया।
जी एवरेज वेलोसिटी
ऊपर वाला स्टेप समझ में नहीं आया।
क्या समझ में नहीं आई?
सर ऊपर वाला स्टेप समझ नहीं आया।
Average velocity will be equal to final displacement minus the initial displacement divided by the final time minus the initial time. That will become minus 9 upon 3. The answer is minus 3 meter per second. Minus 3 meter per second.
सर बोर्ड तो नीचे कर सर, कैमरा थोड़ा ना नजर नहीं आ रहा सर, कट हो रहा है मेरा।
क्या हो रहा है?
सर कट हो रहा है, क्वेश्चन कट हो रहा है, नजर नहीं आ रहा। सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन कट हो रहा है, आप थोड़ा कैमरा नीचे कर ले इसका ना, लैपटॉप का।